afternoon, Eicher's class. Papers down. Today we multiplied mixed numbers. Can you multiply mixed numbers?
Yes.
Okay, review. All these words are review words. You know all those words. So we're going to skip right past the vocab. And we're going to start talking about what we need to remember when solving with mixed numbers. First of all, what must you always do if you have mixed numbers before you start solving? Convert to improper fractions. No matter if you're adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing, you always convert mixed to impropers. Yes or no?
Yes.
When you're multiplying or when you're solving fraction products, numerator times numerator and what times what?
Denominator times denominator.
And as your parents maybe say, don't you dare even think about? Okay, let's try that again. Don't you even dare think about? All right, so number 8, we don't have common denominators, but we still just simply multiply, right? Yes? Yes? Number 9, so the problem was 1 2/3 times 2 1/4. What must you do before solving?
Convert them to improper fraction.
So we converted to improper fraction using what process? What are these arrows? If our answer turns out to be an improper, can that be our final?
No.
We need to convert it back into a what?
Mixed number.
Sometimes you only have one around the world. The other fraction is already good to go, yes?
Yes.
Last thing. This was a pretty big problem. We got 1,083 over 36. I just want you to follow along with me on this. You ready? So we had to convert it back into a mixed number. So we had 1,833 divided by 36, yeah?
Yes.
36 doesn't go into 1 and 36 doesn't go into 10, yes?
Yes.
It goes into 108 3 times. You guys use your calculators. We ended up with 0 and we brought down the 3, right?
Yes.
Josh, I should be up here. Class, this is big. Does 36 go into 3? It doesn't go into 3, but do I have to show that up here?
Yes.
What is 0 times 36?
0.
What's left over when I subtract?
3.
Do I have anything left to bring down over here?
No.
So now I'm done, right? Too many times kids will forget to put the 0 here. It's not 3 in 336. It's 30 in 336. Yes?
Yes.
And then obviously we have to reduce 336 to 112. Good?